The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Nantucket County in southeastern Massachusetts until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 22 miles south of Edgertown, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. While not imminent, a brief tornado is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Nantucket. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the outer coastal waters from Vineyard to Nantucket.
Okay. Well, that was an interesting severe thunderstorm warning. I think this is probably the first time I can ever recall hearing that kind of wordage used in a warning. And my computer's being weird, so I'm gonna have to shut it down and do a hard reset. Anyway, yeah, so I was literally in the middle of editing a couple of missed EASs when this one came through. So that was certainly interesting. That was actually really interesting. I was not expecting a warning to come this soon because, I mean, the storm is, like they said, it's like 22 nautical miles south of Nantucket. But anyway, I'll be back with more alerts as they come in. Pilgrim AS, we're out.